Hello guys, welcome back to Be Our Entertainer. And in today's video, we are exploring as usual the Budapest. I think you have enjoyed the last part of our videos. If you haven't watched it, all of the video links are in the description. Our journey begins at Budapest Grand Opera House, a symbol of elegance and culture. From here, we leave the lively streets behind the step into the peaceful expanse of the park. As we walk at the quiet paths and lush greenery surrounding us, ahead a graceful bridge crosses a canal leading us towards the majestic Budapest Castle. Standing tall at the end of this path, the castle invites us to reflect on centuries of history and beauty. As we approach the Budapest Castle, also known as Buda Castle, we step back in time. This fortress was originally built in the 13th century, serving as the residence of Hungarian king. Today, it stands as a symbol of resilience, having been rebuilt and expanded over the centuries. Now, it houses museums, galleries, and offers panoramic views over the Danube River, connecting Budapest's rich past and its vibrant present.
Stay